All right, our new standard this week is we're going to talk is RI 1.5. Does anybody remember our standard from last week?
What is it?
Yeah, tell them the difference between fiction and nonfiction. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Stuck down there somewhere. This one is another one, but it's a nonfiction goal, and I'm going to read it to you, and then we're going to talk about what all those hard words mean. Okay? Know and use various text features to locate key facts or information in a text. Now, some of those words are pretty hard, aren't they? So let's break it down. Know and use various text features. What does the word various mean? Does anybody have an idea? Let me give you an example. I like various kinds of ice cream.
What is favorite thing?
Could be favorite things. What else?
Different things?
Different. Lots of different kinds. Okay, so various means many or lots of. Okay? Oops. So, know and use many text features. We know what text features are, right? We've talked about it almost every time we've read a nonfiction book. Can you whisper to somebody next to you what a text feature is? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who can tell me what what their partner said? Anybody give them an example of a text feature? Nobody? You didn't talk about text features?
No, because you would.
What, Madison?
What I remember that Dad said, I think that he said that a text feature is kind of like that someone is trying to teach you something.
Something that somebody's trying to teach you? What about a table of contents? Is that a text feature?
Yes.
What about a bold word?
Yeah.
Yeah, so text features is not the whole story. It's parts of a nonfiction book, okay? So parts of I'm going to put it over here because not features is over here, nonfiction book. So you're going to be able to know and use many text features to locate key facts. What does locate mean?
Tell me. It's like if you're kind of it's kind of like if you're trying to go to a certain store, you have to locate it like on the GPS.
Yeah, if you're trying to locate it, you're trying to find it, right? So locate means find. So you're going to know and use and find. They're going to help you find key facts. We talked about what key details are. So what do you think key facts are? What does the word key mean?
It means that true key facts.
Like important facts, right? Okay, so important facts of information in your text. What is text? Everybody tell me.
Parts of a nonfiction book.
No, what is text?
Text means like a
All stories, right? Okay. So you're going to be able to know and use many kinds of text features, and those text features are going to help you find important information in a story. Okay? So when you're done with this, I'll know that you understand this standard whenever you can use your text features in a nonfiction text. So that's what we're going to write under understand. I can know and use, same words from up here, right? Text features, which we know what those are because we've been talking about them. Text features in a non-fiction, and that means true, right? Text. So that's what you're going to be able to understand. Now, what are we going to be able to do? What is that thing?
Text find out text features.
Yep, we're going to make a list of text features that we find, you see this anchor chart we're going to use later? We're going to be able to find the text features, and then we're going to tell how it helps you. Okay? So who can tell me the name of a text feature that we might be able to find in a nonfiction book? Hope. A glossary is a text feature. And how does a glossary help you to understand information in a story, Isaac?
So you know what people words mean?
Yeah, it tells you what words mean. That's right. Tells you what words mean. Good. So we're going to make a list as we read nonfiction story, and we're going to pull out all those text features, and then you're going to be able to use those to help you understand the story better. Okay? So if there's a bold word, you're going to be able to go to the glossary and know exactly what it means, right? If there's a table of contents, what does that help you to do?
That helps you like to know like you can skip around and it knows that it tells you like you can skip around in any page that you want to.
You can read it in any order if you use your table of contents. If you want to know just about one specific thing, you can skip to just that page and read about it, and you can use what? Your table of contents to know that, right? What about bold words? Is that a text feature?
Yeah.
What do bold words tell you? They're really, what kind of words? Important words, that's right. So we know that when we see a bold word in a nonfiction text, what is it telling us? That word is what?
Very
It's very important. It's not a and the and, right? It's a really important word. Okay, so that is what our next standard is going to be. Okay?